Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about field array. Field array is a Formik component which help in manipulating the values in arrays and lists. You can pass the name property with the path to the key within this values to hold the relevant array. This field array will give you access to the array helper methods also in a render props. I will explain them in the demo. Let's start this. In previous videos, we have created one empty first field. So I'm going to use this field now and I'm going to create a array values initially. So here field empty array and two empty values. So we have created the field values. So if we are going to use array and we have two empty values, here we have only one. So for another one, I'm going to create another first field, and within this name I'm going to provide 0 and 1. So this one will access the first value in the array. This one will access the second value in the array. Go to the front end, refresh the page, open the console. Within this object, you can see the form. Scroll to down, you can see the values. In values, you can see field and two empty values. So you can see here we have around 20 lines for this array function. To overcome this, I'm going to use the array field array. So first of all, I'm going to comment these values and to import the field array. So use this one and create one component here. So I'm going to use the field array field array, and we have to provide the name, and the name is field. Within this field, I'm going to use the curly braces arrow function to get the all the values. So here I'm going to access two functions. One is remove and another one is push. Can add multiple inputs using this push and remove the values of array using this remove. Here I'm going to use values dot field dot map. It will pass the values in an array. So arrow function again and return, and here it will provide the values. The values are, I'm going to represent the values in item and index. Here I'm going to create a div tag key index. Within this div tag, I'm going to use field 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 and the name I'm going to provide curly braces backticks, and the name we have previously provided in the top, and I'm going to provide dollar curly braces this index. So in the top we have provided the field name and array value we have to manipulate. Here also we have given the field name array values. And next I'm going to provide a type as a text. So next I'm going to remove this, and we don't need this one also. We don't need the closing tags here. Next I'm going to provide the button which is used to close, which is used to remove and push. Button, button, and type should be button, and copy this button, paste it again. So here I'm going to provide minus, and here provide plus. Here I'm going to provide on click, on click, arrow function, push, index, and in the same way. So here I'm going to change plus, and here I'm going to change minus. And on click, again arrow function, here remove and empty value. Let's go to the front end. So here we are facing the values problem. This is because we can access the values only from form. So I'm accessing form dot values. Now go to the front end. We can see here. We can't see the two field arrays. So go to the front end, and here we didn't provide the return values. That's why. So close this one and copy this one. Cut. Provide curly braces. Provide a return, another div tag. Div tag. Within this div tag, provide the value. So here you can see those values. You can see the add button and remove button. If you want, you can add another value also. If you want, you can remove these values. So here I am not mind about the styles for this form, for this value. So this is how we can implement the field array. I'm going to add the value for name and a value for last name and email. And I'm going to provide the random numbers and random values here also. So random values, and here I'm submitting. You can see all the values has been updated properly here. So this is how the field array has been working. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button. You will get the updates regularly on time.